Hi students, today we are going to learn about one of the most important concept in mathematics, the difficult part of mathematics. What it is? The formulas. So today I have planned to explain all these formulas in an easier fashion. By that you can able to remember all these formulas and spontaneously you can recall and you can apply them whenever they require. So let's begin our class today regarding important formulas of mathematics. So I'll start with one of the most well-known formula which everyone are familiar with, that a plus b whole square. So how a plus b whole square will come, how we can able to remember in an easier fashion. Today class I'm going to show you. Everyone look at here. A plus b whole square can be written as a plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. So square indicates we are supposed to multiply a plus b twice. So what will be the result? A plus b into a plus b. So just multiply a with a. So you'll get a into a will become a square, and then a will multiply with b. So which results plus ab, and then this b will multiply with a. So we'll get actually ba, or else we can say ab, because in product, plus at last b into b will become b square. So if I simplify this result, I supposed to be get a square plus ab plus ab are like terms. If we can add, we'll get ab plus ab. It will become 2ab plus b square. So which is our formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And sometimes while calculating, while finding some certain values, we're supposed to write a square plus b square plus 2ab. So both are correct, only just alteration whenever which is required for the exact sum. So we're supposed to be do that. Sometimes we'll write this one, and sometimes we are going to write. So both are correct only. So whichever it is applicable, you can do that. So by this you can remember this formula. So one of the easiest formula for all. And then next I am going for the continuation, a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square, in a similar fashion we can write again same a minus b into a minus b. So if we have multiplied a minus b into a minus b in a similar fashion, so final output will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, which leads to, we can write in this fashion also, a square plus b square. I just want a square plus b square in the first position, minus 2ab in the last. So this is also certain version which we supposed to be using mathematics. So this is your second identity or second formula, a minus b whole square. The third formula, the most important and confusing. What is that formula? A square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square formula? So we are already familiar. A square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. So we'll just check the result. Why? Because sometimes now some of the students are able to confuse between a minus b whole square and as well as a square minus b square. Sometimes they'll say a square minus b square is equal to a minus b whole square, which is obviously not happens. So a square minus b square is different identity, and a minus b. See, this is a minus b. This is a square minus b square. Here a and b whole, I am applying a bracket whole. Here a and b having individually squares. A square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. So further the result we are saying a plus b into a minus b. We'll just have a small check whether this is how really happens. So just have a same multiplication which we did earlier. Here we did now a plus b into a plus b. Similarly, a into a will become a square, and a into b will become, this time minus symbol is there, minus ab. Now then b into a will become plus ab, and at last plus b into plus b will become minus b square. So if we have performed that operation, here we will get minus ab and plus ab get cancelled. So the final output is a square minus b square. So it's your proof. So finally the multiplication of this gives a square minus b square. So whenever you saw a square minus b square, you're supposed to recall this identity, a plus b into a minus b, vice versa. If this is given, you are supposed to be say a square minus b square. If this is given, then you have to say a plus b into a minus b. So like this, in both directions, you are supposed to remember all these formulas. Next, our fourth formula is x plus a into x plus b is equals to how much? X plus a into x plus b. So similarly, the above one we have multiplied means you'll get x square plus bx plus ax plus ab. So if you have small simplification like same category, same like terms, if you have club in one place, here a plus b will take x common and we'll write a plus b into x plus ab. A plus b into x plus ab. So finally, this is the output for x plus a into x plus b. And next, fifth identity. Identity number 5. So after teaching all these formulas, now some new version also I am going to show for all these formulas. Just wait and see at the last. At the last of this videos, you can find something new, interesting point also for all these formulas. Just wait for them. A plus b plus c whole square. Our fifth formula is a plus b plus c whole square. So what is the formula of this means? We can say a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. How we got this formula? I mean same. Whole square means multiply 2 times and club all those values, then automatically we will get this answer. In sometimes, see this here in each and every time we are having 2ab, 2bc and as well as 2ca. So 2 is common. So sometimes we are supposed to be see this formula in this fashion. A square plus b square plus c square. Since 2 is common, if I take 2 common, 2 times of ab plus bc plus ca. So finally, this is also one of the formula which we supposed to be used. Whichever, whenever, wherever it is required, that particular formula we are supposed to be recall. That is formula number 5. Next, I am going for formula number 6, which is your Q formula. So what is Q formula? A plus B whole cube formula. So these formulas are very necessary in mathematics. By knowing them, any sort of sum can be written in easier fashion. A plus B whole cube formula. So what will get? A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. The same way. So as cube he has mentioned, we are supposed to multiply a plus b 3 times. So first 2 times and again third time if we have multiplied, then this result can be obtained. Okay, so you can have a try also for this. Multiply 3 times and just check for whether we are getting the same result or not. So this is one version and this can be altered sometimes. Now this b cube will write in the front, by that we'll get a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So this can also be written. And here one suspicious or a kind of interesting thing we can see here. What is that? A small sort of simplification I am planning here. A cube plus b cube plus. So here in the last two terms we can able to observe certain common. Just a small set of common. What is common? In both 3 is there and as well as here one a square and here one a. So finally in both 1a is common and the first part we are having b and second part we are having b square. So we can observe 1b is common. So at last finally it is contains 3ab common. So if I take common it is, I am going to get 3ab and remaining is a plus b. So this is also one sort of useful formula in a plus b whole cube which will be frequently used. Comparatively these two formulas, this will be used more in mathematics, especially in polynomials chapter. We are supposed to use this formula: a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this is a plus b whole cube formula. Next, similarly, a minus b. Next, a minus b whole cube is equals to, so a minus b whole cube as developed as a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here some of the students able to write this plus minus positions are wrong. So for that, take a small hint I am going to give you. Here I am having minus b. Nothing but if you compare with your above formula, in place of plus b, now we are having minus b. So wherever b having odd power, see this, in this we are having b a square, whereas b is having power 1, so minus will omitted. Whereas b having even power square, then at that time we got plus, and again b got odd power, at that time minus. So like that you can remember minus symbols also. So minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Whenever b getting even power, minus won't come. Whenever b getting odd power, minus will be just it will be there itself, it will come out. So like that we can write. So the similar fashion like above, if we have simplified this, we'll get this a cube minus b cube minus 3ab. If I take common, so it results in a minus b. So a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Similarly, like above, if I have it, this is one more alternate formula for a minus b whole cube is supposed to be saying. Next, after a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube, one more important formula for the sake of factorization, we supposed to be learn a cube plus b cube. So what is a cube plus b cube formula? So just above in sixth formula you can see. So I'm just asking about this one, a cube plus b cube. This part alone I'm asking you. A cube plus b cube, what happened? Very simple. You already written a plus b whole cube formula, which has this part a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So this plus 3ab into a plus b, if you send to left hand side of this formula, will become a cube plus b cube formula. That's it. It's not any rocket science or any complicated thing. Just sending this plus 3ab into this part is there na, plus 3ab into a plus b, just send to left hand side, then automatically it will develop one more new formula for you, a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, 3ab into a plus b. Okay, 3ab into a plus b. Now here I am going to develop this formula again into something new. So some new transformation of this formula which are very required. So by this now we can able to remember all our formulas in easier fashion. What is the new transformation? Just have a look here. So here I am having the first term a plus b whole cube. In the second term also I contains a plus b here. Can you see? This is 3ab and this is a plus b. So first term we are having a plus b whole cube, whereas second we are having a plus b whole power 1. Nothing is there means we can fill 1. So there is a maximum common of a plus b whole power 1 in both. So I am taking that a plus b whole power 1 as common. So if I take common, what is remaining in the first position? A plus b whole square minus, in this place it remains with minus 3ab, since I have took a plus b out. I have taken common. So it results a plus b into a plus b whole square minus 3ab. If we have expanded, we will get a square plus b square plus 2ab, because we already written in the above, plus 2ab, and at last we are having again minus 3ab. Now have a small simplification. We'll write a plus b into a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab. Both are like terms, which leaves minus ab. So this is the formula. We're supposed to be say a plus b into, just for a arrangement purpose I am doing, a square minus ab plus b square. So the formula of a cube plus b cube, you can supposed to be say a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So like that we can supposed to be remember, and a small derivation how we got that formula also. Some student may have a doubt how this formula got derived, so that's why I have shown for you. And next, similarly, we'll go for our ninth formula, a cube minus b cube. So what is a cube minus b cube means? Same like above earlier. Here I shown na. See this on the top, how like I have written a cube plus b cube. Similarly, here from a cube minus b cube, this minus 3ab into a minus b sent to left hand side, then automatically this formula will be derived. So what I can write here, a minus b whole cube plus, because it was minus right hand side, now this side will become plus 3ab into a minus b. Now in both again the similar fashion like above, we are having a minus b common. If I take a minus b common, then I remains with a minus b whole square plus 3ab. So this time now some small changes happen. So finally what it results, we observe a minus b into a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 3ab. So what it leaves next step, a minus b into a square plus b square minus 2ab plus 3ab will become plus ab. The final answer, just in arrangement form we have it, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So finally this is the formula for a cube minus b cube. So have you observed these two formulas? there is some specific similarity between them. If it is a cube plus b cube formula starts with a plus b and a square will come, then minus ab and then plus b square. Same a cube minus b cube starts with a minus b. So same kind of part which we got here, but completely plus. Here we got minus and here we are getting plus over here. This is minus here and this is plus here. So that is a specific difference. By that, if you remember one formula carefully, the other can also be recalled in an easier fashion. The a cube minus b cube. Okay, so this is a new sort of formula which is supposed to be discussed. So these are the two formulas, very important for the sake of factorizations in polynomial. So don't miss out them. So have a practice. Obviously, all this can be possible if you have a best practice in mathematics. Now I am going for 10th formula. So for the sake of 10th formula, I just want to rewrite your a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square once again. By that I can show you some set of new formulas which I have derived from them only. So all new formulas are not newborn. They can be just derived from your older formulas. This is a plus b whole square formula, and as well as I am writing a minus b whole square formula just beside. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So you have to remember, you have to recall, then only you can remember all these. Now I am asking you to do a small work. Keep this a square plus b square on right hand side. Just try to send this plus 2ab to left hand side. What you will get? If plus 2ab goes to right hand side will become minus 2ab. So you can write or you can derive one formula. A square plus b square results is equals to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So similar sort of work if you do here also, same. Minus 2ab you send to RHS, then we will get a square plus b square is equals to a minus b whole square plus 2ab. So this is one more new formula. So if you have observed, see this, here you are having a square plus b square. Here also we are having a square plus b square. Nothing but a square plus b square having two possible formulas. So whichever the formula is required at particular time, you can able to use that formula. When I require a plus b version, then I'll write this formula. When I require a minus b version, then I'll write a minus b whole square formula. So depend on the question which he has given. So by that we are supposed to be used. So finally, these are the two formulas for a plus b, a square plus b square, formula number 10. Next, something new I have mentioned in the starting. Something kind of new point I am going to show you now. So again I am going to deal with these two formulas only. See this, a plus b whole square. So don't get confused, but too many formulas are there. So try to focus, watch again and again. By that you are thorough with these formulas, then obviously you will become efficient in mathematics class. So definitely you can say all answers like others who are saying in class. You will also will become efficient. So watch again and again. By that you will get fluency in all these formulas. So next I am writing again a plus b whole square formula. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is actually we already know. Now here I am trying to do a kind of small mathematical logic. By that I am creating something new, some kind of new formula. So a plus b whole square, we are having some basic. Now I am trying to teach you some sort of new formulas. What are those? Just observe here. So a square plus b square plus 2ab. So what we can do? See this, I am doing a small mathematical logic. You can feel what is that logic? You observe here. I am just adding plus 2ab and subtracting minus 2ab. So obviously they can get be added and subtracted. So no problem, sir. It's a balance only. Plus 2ab minus 2ab cancel. So our formula remains safe. So nothing but I didn't alter your formula. Just a mathematical logic I have applied and I have written plus 2ab minus 2ab. Why I have written this? I'll just show you now. So in this, after doing this extra kind of logical work, and I am doing this a square plus b square minus 2ab I am bringing to the front. So here I'll get minus 2ab plus this plus 2ab and this plus 2ab I am just writing as 4ab. So I only added, I only subtracted, but I am doing a different work. Now, if you have look at this a square plus b square minus 2ab, what is this formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab you already having on the top, which is a minus b whole square. So I'll get a minus b whole square plus the result is 4ab. Hooray! We got a new formula for a plus b whole square. See this? I have written your a plus b whole square in terms of a minus b whole square. See this? How it is? A plus b, a minus b both are having connection. So what sort of connection it is? See this, this is the connection. A plus b whole square is equals to a minus b whole square plus 4ab. So this is one sort of new formula. We can say same a plus b whole square in terms of a minus b whole square. So this is also a very required concept in mathematics. No? You are supposed to be learn for the higher classes. Okay. So next is formula a minus b whole square. Similarly, similar fashion I am trying to do a minus b whole square. So just will you try this formula now? A square plus b square minus 2ab is actually, now again same logic I will do. What I am going to do? Same logic, plus 2ab and minus 2ab. Now I am taking this plus 2ab to the front. So what happened? A square plus b square plus 2ab and minus 2ab will become minus 4ab. The same if we have observed, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab will be, what is the formula? A plus b whole square minus, what remains now? Minus 4ab. So in once again we got one more new formula for a minus b whole square. So this time this is in terms of, this time this is in terms of a plus b whole square. So this can be derived from here also. A plus b whole square formula as a minus b whole square plus 4ab. This plus 4ab if I send to left hand side, then this formula. So both are interlinked. So a plus b in terms of a minus b. Similarly a minus b in terms of a plus b. So whichever the formula we require, so that we are going to be used at that time. So this is your formula number 12. Next I am going for formula number 13. So which is your a plus b plus c whole square formula. So once again I am supposed to be recall a plus b plus c whole square is equals to, what is the formula? A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So this plus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca if I send to left hand side, then I can recreate one new formula. A square plus b square plus c square is equals to, this plus this 2ab comes to left hand side, will become a plus b plus c whole square minus 2 into ab plus bc plus ca. So this is also one sort of new formula we are supposed to be say for a plus b plus c whole square. So these are the most important formulas in mathematics. If you are thorough with these formulas, then no one can stop you in mathematics. Every kind of sum you can understand very easy. Just spend some half an hour, 1 hour or 2 hours time on these formulas to recall. If how best you are in these formulas, then mathematics will become that much easy for you. Now here I just planned for some specific notes where many of the students are confusingly used to do this kind of mistakes. So these are also very important. We are supposed to be remember. Note number 1. What is note number 1? A plus b whole square is never equals to a square plus b square. We have a habit, a and b are having square means immediately in our mind come, okay sir, a having square, b having square, so a plus b whole square. Completely wrong. Just now we saw a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab also. But how can be only a square plus b square? So which is obviously wrong. So just giving very important note, keep it in mind, never try to do this kind of thing. A square plus b square is not equal to a plus b whole square. And similar fashion, a minus b whole square is not equals to a square minus b square, which I already told in the starting. A square minus b square leads to some other formula. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b, combo of plus and minus, but it is not equal to a minus b whole square. Never. So don't try to do such a kind of mistake. Next, third formula. Third formula is square root of a square plus b square. So directly our mind says square root cancel, it will become a plus b, but which is completely wrong. When they are in addition or subtraction form, squares cannot be cancelled directly. They cannot be cancelled. We are not supposed to be do such kind of answer, which is obviously wrong. So when it is happening, that also I will give as a note. The fourth formula I am saying for you, which is possible. See this, when I am having square root of a square into b square, this can be written as square root of a and b are having square, so I will bring them into ab whole square. The square and square root get cancelled, which will become ab. So when they are in product mode, this is possible, but they are in addition mode, keep it in mind. When they are in addition mode, never possible. In addition mode, it's never possible for you. Keep it in mind. Now sixth formula, square root of a square minus b square, obviously not equals to a minus b. A minus b. Not, it's not equals to a minus b. Why? Because same logic, double logic. So this is not happen for plus and as well as minus, which is happens only for multiplication only. So this is the concept I have planned for you, ma. So thank you for the listening. So all the best for your academics also. And keep watching my videos to get more and more knowledge. Some interesting concepts also will come in the future. Share, subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you and all the best again.